Hello, you are welcome back to OJ online maths tutorial class. If you have attended this class before, congratulations. This is another amazing video that will equip you with mathematics skill. But if you are joining us for the first time, you are also congratulated because in this particular channel, you'll be exposed to a lot of amazing and interesting mathematics problems and solutions. So please don't forget, always click notification bell so that each time I upload a video, you'll be notified. Thank you. Now, we want to solve another exponential equation. Exponential equation. How do we solve this? Let's look at this exponential equation. Now we have 2 raised by x plus 2 raised by y is equals to 640. 640 can be expressed as 64 multiplied by 10. Okay? So, and 64 can be written in multiples of 2 as 2 raised by what? 6 multiplied by 10. That 10 can be split in order to give us version of 2. So when we split 10, we can say 4 times 5. Okay? Sorry about that. 2 times 5. That's 2 times 5. So now this 2 is raised by 1. So we have what? 2 raised by 6 multiplied by 2 raised by 1 multiplied by 5. Okay? Now, which will be yours what? According to the law of indices, x raised by a multiplied by x raised by b will be equals to what? X raised by a plus b. That's in indices. So this one implies what? 2 raised by what? You add the powers together as we have here because 2 is common. 6 plus 1, then multiply by 5. And that will give us what? 2 raised by what? 7 multiplied by 5. Now, there is a way of getting 2 from 5. Yes. 4 plus 1 is 5. Beautiful. So you can say into bracket 4 plus 1. That means 4 plus 1 is now 5. So you can have what? 2 raised by 7, okay, multiplied by 2 raised by what? 2, because 2 raised by 2 is now 4. And anything raised by 0 is 1. So you can write 2 raised by 0 here. Okay? Yes, I hope you understand that. You understand what I did there? Good. Let's continue here. Let's continue here. Let's continue here. Let's continue here. Okay, so this one will now give us, just need to expand. We are having 2 raised by x plus 2 raised by y is now equals to, by the time we expand this, we have 2 raised by 7 multiplied by 2 raised by 2, then plus 2 raised by 7 multiplied by 2 raised by 0. So this one will give us what? Now, you add the powers together, you have 2 raised by 7 plus 2 plus 2 raised by 7 plus 0. Okay? Beautiful. I hope you understand that. Beautiful. Now, so that'll give us what? That'll give us 2 raised by 7 plus 2 is 9 plus 2 raised by what? 7 plus 0 is 7. Okay. Now, you compare what you have here, which is 2 raised by x plus 2 raised by y. Both, you compare the left-hand side and the right-hand side. So you can see that if you compare 2 raised by x with 2 raised by 9, x will be 9. If you compare 2 raised by y with 2 raised by 7, y will be 7 because 2 is common as integers. So from there now we say x is equals to what? 9 and y is equals to 7. But the question says find x plus y. Therefore, x plus y is equals to 9 plus 7, which is what? 16. So that is the solution to the problem. That is the solution. You can see how simple this problem is. Please don't forget to like, share, and comment for more amazing videos. God bless you. Bye.